What's happening, folks? It's Masta Hanksta, and I just want to do an unboxing video real quick. Probably old news to you guys, but this is the unboxing of a Serato control vinyl single. So let's check it out. Let's see what it comes with. It's basically just a piece of plastic, right? Don't need that. And there it is. Now the beauty of this is it still comes with the plastic here that you can actually cut and put it on your turntable and actually use that as a glider for it. It's a slip sheet on the bottom of your slip mat. There it is, Serato Blue vinyl. I can't wait to put my logo on it. That's right, I'll be putting this logo on it. So alright, hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Next you'll be seeing it on my decks.
How